Most people approach growing their business through trial and error and by trying to figure out everything all by themselves for the very first time. We approach growing companies like we're in a factory. We use scientific customer acquisition and unit economics to really go out into your marketplace and help you eat your competition alive. Most business owners are being pulled in 1,000 different directions. They're wondering, should I blog? Should I start a podcast? Should I build a brand new website or run Facebook ads just to get new customers? We've already spent tens of millions of dollars in generating traffic and split testing every different type of offer in over 416 different industries and niches. So instead of you spending tens of thousands of dollars and countless of hours trying to figure out what works, you can simply come and plug into our platform and copy and paste what is already working.
In a short 5 years, Sabri has grown King Kong from 2 employees to more than 60, from 1 client to more than 400, and from $0 in sales to more than 1.3 billion.
With a 3-year growth rate of 314%, the agency is not looking to slow down anytime soon.
In a business where it is feast or famine based on your client's results, King Kong is getting bigger and stronger by the day.
We are not an agency. We are not a company that sells courses. We are a platform that you can come and plug directly into regardless of where you are on your business journey. Whether you're just starting out or you're doing multiple millions of dollars per year or per month. The chances are that we've got a solution to help you get to where it is that you want to go a hell of a lot faster than if you were to go it alone. We're not out here just talking about growing companies. We've used the very same strategies that we prescribe to our clients to grow this business from my bedroom to over 100,000 customers in 135 different countries. And our mission is to revolutionize the way that businesses are grown, because we believe that there is no greater vehicle to drive impact and make a change in the world than through business.